Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Web Development Wednesdays. So, yeah, we continue with our Twitch and YouTube chat overlay. As a quick recap, last two streams we made it so that we have a chat showing up as an overlay from both Twitch and YouTube. Seems to work okay. We have style that is acceptable for now. And now we need to take it a little bit further. So let me show you what I mean. So we have basically two separate projects. First one is the overlay server, okay? The overlay server is basically the old server, like web API, that basically subscribes to YouTube chat and Twitch chat. It manages basically a list of messages and allows us to basically have the, get all the messages handler. Just request, hey, give me all the messages, and that's it. All right. So that's all it does. While then we have the overlay itself, which is kind of the front end, which basically is a little Vue app that, tries to display stuff in the corner. So currently the big problem with this solution is that we don't have a way to, to start a specific YouTube video thing. Twitch is fine because on Twitch, I guess there can be only one stream at a time for a channel. So I can have it, if I go to Twitch, I just give it channel name and bam, it just grabs stuff from the channel. But with YouTube, just a little more code. All right. So with YouTube, the thing is that we're using the inner tube thing, whatever, YouTube i.js. So the thing with that is that we need to provide a video link. So this is some older live stream or something, right? So if I'm going to start a server, pnpm dev, okay, it's gonna complain that, hey, this video doesn't have a live chat. It's gonna just freak out or something. See? Error. This thing is not happy. Client-side toggle menu not found, whatever. Basically a bunch of errors that, this video is not really valid for what we're trying to do with it. The get live chat won't work on it. So, let's stop it because somehow it's still running. I guess this simply wouldn't subscribe. So the idea is that, it would be nice if we could take that and have that set somewhere else, right? Instead of just here, it would be nice to have it, start up and maybe not even start the chat itself yet. It's just, let's say, on my phone or in a browser or something, I would need to give it a link to a YouTube video. Hey, this is what we're working on. Maybe start and stop, or maybe add a server message or something that will show up, whatever. A little dashboard that I can make sure that things are connected, things are running, and maybe it will show me, myself, for me, just a combined chat so that I can just plop my phone somewhere down here. And that would be my way of viewing messages, just an idea. And then in the future, I could have, a button to add countdown, maybe, ban somebody, or what else do you do on streams? I don't know, a bunch of settings or features that we would like to build into it. it could be there in a dashboard. So let me just look what on earth did happen here, because I was pushing some stuff, I remember. So the setup overlay. Oh, overlay setup. Oh, okay. I actually did a little bit more work. So let me switch to the, yeah, let's go to main. Oh, conflicts. What is going on here? We don't care about this thing. We have got messages where I added some, I see. I see. Let me just copy the current message, because I was doing some stuff on some other laptop. I had some other edits to the thingy. So I'm not saving it. Let's go to messages. I have that single message here. All right. And then YouTube, just different link. What changed here? Bunch of semicolons and from 5 to 2. Huh. I can discard all those. Okay. Let's get to main. Still conflicts. What the hell's going on? Reset those files, please. What is going on? Oh, finally. Okay, Git doesn't like me today. Reset local to here. Ooh, errors. I'm not running anything, right? Let's close them both, because I know there's some. Could not find a compatible repository. Let's restart everything, because this is crazy. Well, we're off to a great start. Started up and the whole repo disappeared. That's interesting. What did just happen? Everything is still here. All right. That's a little bit surprising. I'm just gonna delete everything and see what happens. Never had that error before. All right, let's clone it. Streaming utilities. Yep, clone it. Open it. Now we're good. So the thing I did so far, yeah, we did the setup combined chat overlay, and then I started setting up mock chat, because it would be nice to have, messages coming in instead of me just typing in a real chat, just something keep popping up so that we know what the chat looks like. It looks like so. Let's open it up again. All right, we have the overlay server here, so that's good. I want to go to messages and replace that default message. I'll go over changes real quick in a second. Let's just get rid of the million hard-coded messages and replace it with a single one. So ID we don't care about. So we don't provide IDs here. Source, yes. Name, yes. Text, yes. Timestamp, no. And that will be it. That will be our message. Okay. All right. So let me walk you roughly through what is happening here. So we'll go to our index.js. Oh, yeah, I removed everything, so we need to do npm install. Okay, we're good. Yeah, maybe refresh VS Code. That'll be helpful. All right, that's different. Nothing's cooperating today. Oh, ban install. Duh. No ban dev, ban run dev. Okay. All right. We're moving forward. Okay. Interesting. So basically what we're doing here, we're basically setting up an API using the Elijah web framework. And we just add the chat endpoints. In this case, it will be just endpoint to get all the messages. And that's it. After that, after we have the API running, we initialize Twitch, basically subscribes to the Twitch live chat. And whatever message comes in, it puts it in messages. We'll go over that in a second. And then we have init YouTube. I move the ID of the chat to here for now. And yeah, everything's running. That's it for now. So what's up with this course? I don't want PNP log. Move through here. Yeah, all that is good. Again, run install. Everything is installed, so that's good. We have it installed, so that should be fine. Not sure why I can't find that. I guess that's just a VS Code thing. Whatever. Yep. So let's quickly look at Twitch. What's going on here? Because something tells me we didn't do that. Yeah. So let's take a peek at YouTube. Or actually messages, the underlying thing. So we have basically a little file, messages, TS. And the whole idea here is that we define few types. And previously we just had message, and now I split it into 3 separate little partial messages. So the idea is that we have a bare message, a message without any specific identifiers, nor a source. Really? I guess like this. There we go. Now it's a bit more correct. So the bare message basically means that we just have who sent it and what text it is, and that's it. Nothing else. All right. Then we have a new message. This is what we will be usually creating, which is name, text, and the source. Okay. And then the full message is where we automatically add the full message will be basically with a proper ID and a timestamp. And the whole idea is that whoever will be creating messages won't be setting that manually. This will happen automatically. Then we have random type, where I started prepping for making like a mock message handler requester. It needs a better name, but basically kind of callback that expects to get a function in return to use to send messages. Does that, and basically this file has a list of messages. Okay, we start with simple message that the chat server is up and running, and this here is a bear message. So, sorry, new message because it's source. So basically we take that list and map it where we mark it as new message and we call complete message. And there's our complete message. Right here. So complete message, all it does is just, hey, we cast it to a normal message, we set a timestamp and put an ID. And yeah, that's it. That's how we complete a message. So that's our starting point. Then we specify max message lifetime. I wanted 2 minutes actually. It's not being in use right now, but eventually we get there. And then we have basically a push message that we can call, which takes the new message, completes it, as the ID and timestamp, and adds it to the messages list. Then we only keep last 50 messages so that we are not clogging things up. And yeah, and then the idea is that we notify the subscribers. In this case, we don't have subscribers yet. Yeah, update message subscribers. So that's another thing where we have a little mechanism for subscribing to messages. We're not using that yet, so no big deal. And then at the end, we have, just a way to get all messages. It copies the list. And that's it. Yeah, real simple. So the way YouTube uses it is that, import the YouTube stuff and whatever. We have that bear message, new message, and push message. We don't even need the full message to know here. So the way we work with it is that, we have a global variable live chat just to keep track of the live chat, no matter if we're calling something, whatever. And the init YouTube, what it does is basically, I already made it so that it basically takes a video ID, just like we're providing it here, or that mock message handler requester that we can ignore for now. So if we didn't provide a video, it will basically say, hey, skipping attaching the actual YouTube chat, and that's it. So looks like I actually covered it so that if we don't have it set, nothing's gonna happen. So then we have if it was actually specified, we init the live chat, okay? And then we just have the mock message hook, which we can just ignore for now. So the init live chat takes the video ID and basically, what is happening here? Get live chat. Oh, we just call get live. Yeah, we have it specified lower. Yeah, get live chat. So it does some magic to get the instance of the live chat from YouTube and sets it. And then defines basically a series of events. What happens when live chat on and on chat update. It does a bunch of stuff to get, author and text and whatnot out of there. And depending on the item type and whatnot, we basically push various messages. So the whole idea is that we create a new message and we just call push message. And all the IDs and timestamps, they just happen automatically. And the same here and the same here. All right, that's it. And we basically do live chat start. All right. And the get live chat is, create a YouTube instance, get info, get the live chat. If there was a problem, at least notify about it. Okay. And all that here is, it's printed out the live chat stuff. So we can leave it for now. Let it be here. So now that we know how YouTube works here, we can do the same with Twitch. So we'll have not message, we'll have a new message, okay. And we'll have the push message. We have push message. So let's do just new message, import type. And let's put types on top. What is going on with those imports? Okay. So, yep, channel name, everything on chat. Yep. All that is confused here, but we can ignore that. So, new message, okay. And that will be basically the source. And we ignore the timestamp. And we just push the new message. Okay, that's all we do. Nothing else. That should be fine now. Okay, let's see if I can run it. Live chat is not available. Okay. So that's the part that wasn't happy. Wait, I'm still getting some problems here. Still, add ID. Where do I have add ID? Ooh, subscribers have message and stuff. Get all messages, all that stuff, but there's no such thing. We're not importing add ID anywhere. What the hell's going on? Export name, add ID not found. Add ID. No results. What on earth is going on? I'll restart you. Will it start making any sense? Still upset about that. What the heck? All right. How about I just do that? Reveal and File Explorer. Let's do the fun stuff. Delete no modules. All right. Now everything's gone. Delete the whole .idea. We don't use that here. Package.json, all that stays. Right? Package.json is happy. Yeah. Fun types. Nothing else here. Fun. Install. Everything installed. Index should be happy. What happened here? Okay, so let's... Okay, at least we don't have errors about add ID anymore. Yeah. It just shows old history for some reason. Delete. So all we need to do is basically make sure that we wrap this whole init live chat in some kind of try catch. Looks like we did. Oh, we're throwing the error. Okay. Sure. Try to init the YouTube catch. Okay. Let's see if that helps it survive. Okay. Failed to initialize YouTube chat. Now everything's running. Okay. That's some progress. Still don't like that. We're not getting whatever. What the hell's going on? Go figure. All right, so now that we have that working, we can actually wrap the whole thing here as well. All right. So we have it in Twitch and at YouTube, and that should take care of it. All right. That's that nice. Initialize API. With chat and initialize YouTube chat. And at the end, we can just do not that. This would be more like overlay server is running at, and let's see. Perfect. Good. So if we're going to get a, where can I get the link to the current stream? So all I need to do is paste the link to the current stream, get all this stuff out, save it, and when we run it, prints a bunch of stuff. We can get rid of that soon. Oh, we're getting errors. Client side toggle menu not found. Am I not streaming or something? What the heck? Volume were altered, whatever. Something changed. All right. And did our server start or not? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. The error, overlay server is running. Okay, let's open the overlay itself. Okay. And let's do pnpm dev in this case. Undev. What the hell just happened? Oh. npm install. Forgot that this was the same repo. There we go. I see the message chat service up and running. I can actually go to OBS and probably on overlay, refresh. And yes, you can see that there's the chat message little thingy. Cool. All right. Yeah, not very exciting, but at least it didn't break. Let me just check if I'll say hello to Twitch or hello Twitch. Okay. I send it and it showed up. Awesome. And I'll go to YouTube chat and I'll say hello YouTube. Will it show up or do we have a problem? Okay, shows up. Good. Yep, that's that. Worked. So considering that this works, we can, I guess, move forward. Okay, overlay, I'll let it running. So what would we want to do? So it would be nice to be able to start and stop the server, right? So, let's maybe quickly make some kind of mock-up view for it, for the dashboard. So I actually need to go to the overlay here. Let's open up a browser so that we can have a preview for it. Okay. We'll just plop it here and hope for the best. Wait, what? New tab. And let's copy that and paste it. Oh, now it works. Okay, so we've got that. So what we could do here in our Quasar project, we should go to source, router, routes. It's a little bit too large. It should be enough for small enough, right? So what matters here is that, right now we have just one path, but I would like to add another path, okay? And that will be, so let's say that this will be the overlay. Well, this here will be basically dashboard. Sure, /dashboard. And we won't be using the main layout. We'll do management layout or whatever, dash layout. Okay. And children will be basically a dashboard page. Okay. So we save that and it's all very unhappy. I mean, we also miss a comma. Okay. It just can't import those. So our view basically just disappears. So the idea is that we need to create a dash layout and dashboard page. So let's look at our layouts. We have our main layout, which has absolutely nothing in it. But I would like to have a nice layout. So let's look a little bit at Quasar. Basically at Quasar. Okay, Quasar framework, and we should be able to do layout and grid. Layout. Now the queue layout. So let's do layout builder. So do I want a queue header? Yes, I want. Queue footer? No. Left side drawer, yes please. Right side, no. Navigation tabs, not now. Okay. That's how we can just have them here. All right, continue. So now the whole thing is that we need to configure basically how these behave. Let's start with the header. You can see that the blue header is represented here. And what this means is I can probably just, first of all, let's get on that page. I don't know why it opens in this little thing. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. And look how we can scroll. If I'll do this, you can see that the whole header basically scrolls away as I'm scrolling. If I have a large edge, it'll just stay sticky on top. Let's start with sticky. Okay, I always want the tools to be up there. Then we don't care about right side because there's nothing there. We won't worry about left side. So look, I can have drawer, list, basic scroll the whole toolbar, or the opposite. Okay, I like this setup. Then we have this is scrollable or scrollable the whole website. Look at that. We can have it completely separate or whatever we want. Okay. I like them together, right? That's what websites usually do. Yeah. And makes the toolbar a little bit less long. So let's keep it at that way for now. And with the footer, we don't care about footer, so that's that. Header reveal, what is that? Elevated. Interesting. Don't even know what that is. Let's draw overlay mode. Ah, look at that. It doesn't push the content. And I actually like that because it's often that, it shifts everything, and depending on your style of content, it'll be better to have, normal. Mobile. Oh yeah, it grays out everything, and desktop will be that. So in our case, it'll be normal because it should detect which mode it's in. And separated type is bordered. We can make it elevated or just no border. Or just bordered, it's fine, right? No big deal. And yeah, that should be it. Continue. So play with layout, all of those with our layout as we switch things. Yep, export it. So this is our template for the layout. And we even get some fancy stuff. So that's the nice thing about Quasar. Let's actually use the copy button. And we can just, let me just paste it in here because it didn't use setup script. So we can just grab those and find options, name. Look at that. It has very different kind of approach here. Interesting. So let's get rid of this old script thing. We have the new setup. And we don't need to return. All right. Left drawer open. We already have it here. And then we do const toggle left drawer open. We've got our layout. So by accident, I overwrote the main layout. So weird stuff might be happening there on the stream. So basically, let's get a new file, and this will be dash layout. So here, name dash layout. Ooh, missing out. Oh, we're good. Main layout. Let's go to Git and restore it. Main layout. Discard changes. We should be good. All right. So let's do it that way. I'm gonna grab the stream overlay and try to. Can I make it into a separate window? How do I do that? Split view. Move to. Nope. Come on, I want to extract it out of here. This is silly. Oh, now I can take it out. Yeah, Arc on Windows is kind of janky. Okay, so we've got this. Now we just need the page itself. So, page. Huh. That's another thing that we need to restore from the normal Quasar setup. Maybe we even have it somewhere here in Git. No. Setup combined chat overlay. We did the whole thing at once. Yep, let's go to their docs. And I'm sure we're gonna find answers. So we don't want layout builder anymore. We're in layout and layout page. There we go. So the layout page is basically specifically for that. So we have queue layout, whatever page container. And then we have page. Okay. What kind of code is that? Queue layout, queue header, toolbar, whatever. Okay, queue page. You can just grab that, right? Yep. install fn, killer controls, whatever. Yeah, sure. Let's try to do that. Next page. Do we have duplicate here? No, we do not. Can I do Control D? No. Do copy paste. Ugh. VS Code, you're so primitive at times. Dashboard page. Okay. So we could go with a similar thing. Can do the define options. Why not, right? Oh yeah, it already has here. So be dashboard page. Ooh, dashboard page. What the heck? We didn't import stuff and we just want the normal page. So we're gonna, where's the code we copied? Sure, this should be good enough. Bam. Can I reformat it? I can. Look at that. Sure. All right, so I can go and get to our preview. Refresh. That works, but we can go to /dashboard, right? Or not? Come on. Routes. /dashboard, right? Why don't you work? Stop. Start again. What am I doing wrong? Do I need to actually put it up here first so that it detects it? Maybe it doesn't know about all the other stuff. Why do we default to the other page? I don't understand. Pages, dashboard page. There's the dashboard page. And dash layout has drawer, router, view. Everything here. What the heck? I don't recall having a problem with Quasar not wanting to go to a root, so I'd say that's new. Let's just make sure that I'm not missing something. Maybe they changed something in their setup or something. Directives, whatever. Where is routing? Routing. Okay. The Quasar project contains source router folder. Okay. All that here. Can do before each and and that's it. Yeah, we have first one and then we have so what if I'm going to do something like this in the router? Path slash chat save. Ha. Nice overlay for the chat, right? For the live stream. Big error 404. Oh, that's awesome. So quickly, let me try it here. We have 404 here. Chat. No. So yeah, that's the whole navigation thing with Vue. Slash chat? Okay, that works. The silly little hash symbol needs to be there. So let me update my OBS thing so that we see things properly. Okay, should be good now. And therefore, now I should be able to go here and do dashboard. Emptiness. Why is that? Come on. Yeah. Everything seems fine. Okay, this is rather painful. And just out of time, sorry if I seem a little bit less bright today. It's just really tired for some reason. Hmm. Padding and whatnot. Where's padding? This should be a dashboard. But the whole layout doesn't even show up. What's up with that? Let's compare side by side. Dash layout and main layout. Okay. We have a template. In this case, is of Q layout, so that shouldn't be a problem. Script setup. Export two extra things, and that's it. So why doesn't it work? Dash layout.view. In routes, you have layouts, dash layout.view. So that's fine too. Hmm. Moving around shouldn't have an effect, so I'm not expecting anything. What on earth? Restart. Everything's still the same. Dashboard. Am I missing something? Why does it want to do that for one? but not the other one. Because this one's a little bit longer. Really? If Alt screwed up, we have an error. If it's good, it displays. It just displays it as a blank. So there must be something wrong here. We have our router view, so what if I'm just gonna grab that, ignore everything here, and just paste this. It needs to be there. Oh. Oopsie. Still nothing. Very interesting. Maybe we don't want the queue page. Do we want just that? Nope. What is going on? The heck? There we go. We just copy of this. Not this. This already is it. Won't show up no matter what. I'm there. I there won't show up. Nothing else. What is going on? Sorry, stream, but this is very, very, very strange. Huh? Everything's registered here. Our dash layout is named properly. If I'm gonna go with main layout, at least we got the hello from from within the thing. We still didn't display the page. So why isn't dash layout showing up? What if I'm going to try will allow to this one? That shows up. Oh, for a split second. Refresh. Showed up and oh, it scrolls down. All right. Okay, so we know that this one works. I'm gonna grab my dash layout. And of course, first pointed that this is dash layout here, right? Save it. Everything disappeared, so that's, I guess, good. So we're gonna go to dash layout and replace the whole thing with this thing for some reason. Dash layout. There you go. Nothing. Whoa. Save. Nothing. Oh, now it showed up and it's scrolling. Why is it scrolling? What? Oh, because dashboard page is old. We want our real page. Okay, so it's not scrolling. We've got progress. There's progress. Oh, I think I know why nothing's displaying. Oh, that is so silly. Kind of. Because we modified the colors somewhere. I recall that we modified all the background colors. And because of that, everything's all wonky. But okay, and dash layout, good progress. Something showed up. So why can't I have my normal dash layout like this? Huh? Let me look into the CSS because something's strange here. CSS. Okay. We've got only this, and variables for Quasar are normal. So nothing wonky going on here. And app.view, we just have router view, nothing else. Index.js. Did we do some shenanigans here? No. I mean, that's router. What am I even looking at? Didn't we have like index HTML or something? There we go. Quasar entry point. And no shenanigans here, right? Because I remember that somehow I replaced the color for the background, but for some reason there's nothing. What the heck's going on? At least we know that this dashboard page maybe works. Could I make the text like, you know, span style, and let's do font color. Wait, color red. Okay, let's just do that. So our dash layout is our dashboard layout. Should display it at some point. Okay, I really want to punch my monitor now. What on? Why? We don't have the header. We don't have nothing here. I feel like the whole project isn't working. Again, router, our routes, dashboard, dashboard layout, dashboard page. And Quasar is normally complaining when, you know, when there's something missing. You know, our dash is misspelled. Ooh, error. Whatever. Page is misspelled. Error. So we know that it finds the files and imports them and everything. And gets to them because it tries to display them. So we have this dash layout. We have page container. Can I just add a bunch of stuff here? One display. Can I just add a bunch of stuff here? One display. Content drawer. Bunch of stuff. Nothing. Title in the toolbar title. Nothing. Toolbar. Just doesn't exist. Header. Doesn't seem to exist. What is going on? Get rid of that. Nothing. We put something in front of it. Again, nothing. Am I like missing something? Let's just do the normal thing that people do. check the console, right? Okay, problem solved. Why didn't it show up earlier? Oh gosh, I'm an idiot, right? Can I reproduce null reading component? Hydrated, what? Refresh. Really? I had an error there, and because of that, nothing works. Kind of, because these should exist, right? All right. It was trying to get left or open ref false. Huh? How does it define a reference here? Okay. We don't need that reference. Oh, ref false. Duh. Oh. Oh, I see. Import ref from Vue. Oh. Me idiot. Me such idiot. Sorry about that. I just lost half an hour being an idiot. Okay, so we've got that. This is good. Oh, I guess I can click away. Okay. So we've got that. This is working. We don't need random text here. Things here. Okay. Right? Things will go here. So those will be our little thingy for tools. All right. Title on top, we can make just hardcode stream overlay dashboard. There we go. We don't want any icons, just text is good enough. Cool. Let's resize a little bit. Wait, DevTools, I can start previewing it as a mobile, right? Device toolbar. Yeah, how do I choose the toolbar here? What the heck? Okay, this is good enough. This looks like a phone, so it might as well be. Okay, that's good. So let's think what we want to put in the thing itself. So let's quit the dash. We'll leave the dash layout. Dashboard page. That's what we care about now. So the whole idea is that we should have a way to start and stop subscribing to both Twitch and YouTube. Okay. So let's think about it. So we have our page, right? And on that page, we would have, let's just do div for now. Okay, nothing crazy. And this will be, you know, toggle, whatever. Connect to Twitch chat. Okay, this will be the first one. Then we have another div, connect to YouTube chat. Okay. We'll make them into buttons. And they would have like a status, connected or not connected or whatever. The thing is with YouTube, we also want to have a video link or whatever, right? Blah, blah, blah. So we would have probably something like one section for Twitch, the other section would be for YouTube, okay? And yeah, so let's start out. Let's just find some nice components that we can use for that. So now we can finally start using things the way they work. So this will be just top down, no fancy layouts. I just wanted working on my phone so I can, focus on Twitch on the PC, not have like 30 monitors set up and a bunch of stuff that confuses me non-stop. Just on my phone separately, just showing the chat and stuff. So let's start with buttons, okay? Because I would like to be able to, have like a start stop. So we have options of the button. Art. There's some fancy one here. Progress related. So, you can click buttons, right? And it does something for connecting, and that will be fun. The same potentially, one could have, something that's loading, but we don't need that. All we want to do is just connect, and it's thinking just a normal one, this one, okay? So for the first one, it'll be just that. Let's copy it and it's here, okay? We'll add state to that at some point because we'll need to go to overlay API and, be able to fetch state and whatnot. So basically loading will be is connecting to Twitch, okay? So we can do the same thing here, import ref. Let's do it's connecting to Twitch will be false, and then is connecting to YouTube, also false. So we'll just start with this. And here we can just, we already have the button. On click will be simulate progress that we don't have defined yet. Just a second. And label should be button. So let's do it like this. Constant Twitch connect label. Computed. So if it's connecting, it'll be connecting. Otherwise, it'll be connect. So we just need to do const is connected to Twitch and the same thing to YouTube, okay? Well, let's just categorize them. We have Twitch here, YouTube will be later. So if it's that, we do connecting. If it's connected, we say connected. Otherwise, connecting. And we close it. We just need to import the computed. Not working for now because we need to call it Twitch Connect label. There we go. Connect to Twitch, click. And of course it does nothing because that's for now. So let's simulate that. Okay, let's actually do this whole thing. Twitch will be here and YouTube will be down there. So sorry, I had too much nim. So now that we have that, we could continue and basically do it what? Const connect to Twitch. Okay. Be async, whatever. So let's do if is connected to Twitch. We just ignore it, okay? So if not, we just said that we're connecting to Twitch. Let's just wait for a second. And we'll set that to false and connect it as true. But I would like to set connected first and then turn off the thing. This way we won't have, like a split second, whatever. I mean, it shouldn't happen, but yeah. Click. Nothing. Okay. So loading is connecting to Twitch, and that's false. Oh, we need to actually call the thing. There we go. Connecting. Connected. Great. But why does it go through thinking when it's already connected? So we could have like a status label or something because, you know, it'll be different to click disconnect or whatever unless we just have, yeah, let's change that up a little bit. So Twitch connecting, Twitch connect, Twitch disconnect, and Twitch connect. Oop. Okay, good. And disconnect, of course, goes to connecting, but why is connecting to Twitch? Should be set as false. True. Connect. Bam. Click. And it goes anyway. Is connecting to Twitch a value? What is it going to show? Console, please. Refresh. We might have weird stuff going on here. It's false. Oh, duh. If it's connecting to Twitch or is connected to Twitch. There we go. There we go. That makes sense. Let's rename it to Toggle Twitch. Okay. Wow, not Toggle Twitch. Toggle Twitch. It connects and little functions that for now just switch stuff. You know, no big deal. So what we can do here is just we already probably have a toggle switch, right? So Twitch connect and disconnect. Okay. As simple as that. Okay, so we've got that one. And now we can sure, I'll copy paste it for now for YouTube, okay? Just so we have some visuals. So we're gonna do is YouTube state changing and is connected to YouTube. So we got this guy. Now we change it. Okay. And the same thing with is connected to YouTube. Paste it here. And then we just need to YouTube. Okay, and this will be YouTube connect label and toggle YouTube. Basically everywhere we have Twitch, we make it YouTube. Save. And we can copy the button. Okay. And we'll name it label. YouTube. And YouTube, and we have typo. That's lots of those. There we go. Save, and it's not happy. Go YouTube and YouTube connect table. There we go. Connect, connecting, disconnect, whatever. Okay. So now I would just do one thing. So basically color will be is connected to Twitch. If yes, it will be success. If not, will be negative or danger. What the hell was the color for red? Negative, I believe. Interesting. Oh, now it works. Oh, triple C. Positive. Da. There we go. And red. And good. So we can have the same thing with color here. The only thing is that is YouTube connected? Oh, is connected to YouTube. There we go. Good. So that's that. And yeah, let me just throw in an icon because I would like an icon there, right? That could be handy. Okay. Button with icons. We should be able to do it. With icon on left, perfect. So the icon on left. Oh, we just say icon. That's it. All right. So we should be able to just add an icon, right? Okay, the same goes here. Okay. And MDI icons we already have set up. So that's awesome. Do I have them saved somewhere here? The MDI stuff? Yes, we have. So let's search for something else, like connected. Or let's do broadcast. Okay, so MDI broadcast. So let's do it the same thing here, depending if it's connected or not. If it's connected, MDI dash broadcast. Okay, and if not, it will be broadcast off. We just need the colon here to make sure that it's actually running the JavaScript. And let's see if that looks properly. There we go, we disconnect. That didn't work. Oh, of course. There we go. Okay. I think at some point we'll be able to make them into separate little thingies, but that's that. So I would like to now add, a spot where I can enter the link for the video on YouTube. So again, we can search for the thingy. I don't think I'll be connecting it the whole thing today. I'll just do this little preview for the dashboard and connect it up sometime later. Just not feeling that great today. All right. Buttons, and we don't want that. We want form components. So input text field. Okay. Just the normal. We'll just do outlined, right? So sure. Okay. The model will be not text, it will be the YouTube video link. Where will be YouTube video link? Okay. So let's make it here. Constant YouTube video link is an empty reference. And therefore we can, change it. And that will be connect. And when we want to connect, it should be disabled. So let's look it up. Good, that coloring, standard filled, outline, all this stuff. And native attributes. Input and text there. Okay, clearable input types. We don't worry about. What are the types? URL. Look at that. There's input type URL. Just type URL. Great. Let's add that. Won't hurt. Yeah, let's keep it that way. Okay, and we'll just go to type URL. Text area, prefix, suffix, custom label, shadow, loading state. No, thank you. Come on. We had more states, right? Disable and stuff. Name mask, fill mask, reverse, error rules, blah, blah, blah. General model, nope. State. Component read-only mode. There we go. So we'll do read-only if not connected and not changing state. Read-only. Is YouTube state changing or is connected to YouTube? Save. So now we can. Oh, I just turn it off and I should be able to edit it. Otherwise, it's read only. Okay. What if I'll just do disabled? Or disable? Oh, there we go. Maybe that would be better, right? Okay. And let's get rid of the whole outline. Looks better. And don't we have some like padding or something? Thing? Oh, there we go. Looks better. Okay. That's good. So the only thing left is to add some kind of sections to them. Yeah. And I think it will be just connect, disconnect, and status will be separate above it because this could be confusing or whatever. Dum 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 dum. Checkbox toggle. Option group, that's just those. Yeah, we don't care about those. So let's just use a card, okay? Simple card. And we have an example here of a nice simple card with actions and everything. That could be fun. Are actions just buttons? Yeah, good. So let's just start with a simple card, okay? The third one. 1, 2, and we have 3 here. So let's add a card and let's see what it looks like. Okay. Dark, we don't care. Bordered. Let's get rid of dark. What's going on here? We don't need those classes here. Okay. And bordered is totally unnecessary. So tech section, which will be Twitch. Okay, and we could add a status here. Let's say disconnected or not connected. Okay. So we could actually do no. Let's just do not connect for now, okay? And then it's okay. So we could have the buttons here. But what if I would do actions? Maybe that would be more fun. Because we can, add some more stuff, whatnot. But let's just do actions. Card actions, right? So I could just do, no, we have the section and then we have the actions. Okay, and action number 1 would be one only actually. Connect. Okay, and this one would need to be flat. Okay. So let's do that. For the little div connector not connected, let's do it a little bit differently, okay? We'll have it not connected right now here, but I want to have like a color of it. Didn't apply? Did not apply. I guess I will need to set a class. That's what it is. Yeah. So let's think about it. Twitch connect button label. That'd be one thing. And then we have Twitch status label. Status will be connecting. Connected. And then we have not connected. Okay. Well, for the button label, we don't care about state changing, okay? Because it's not visible. So basically, if it's connected to Twitch, it'll be disconnect. Otherwise, it'll be connect. Okay? That's it. BTN. That'll be nicer. Okay. So here, label will be this, connect, disconnect. Okay, that's good. Well, the text itself And here will be Twitch status label. Not connected, connecting, connected. Okay? Awesome. All right, this starts to look nice. I don't think we'll need the whole. I'll leave that section for now because that'll be probably in the. It'll be useful in the YouTube part. But for now, let's figure out how to do that color. Can I do something like text positive and negative? Yeah, there we go. Bam. Connected. Ah, look at that. We need to add a fourth one, disconnecting. So let's do it like this. If the status is changing, if it's connected to disconnecting, otherwise connecting. Otherwise, we're gonna do if connected to Twitch, not connected. I will just do. Wait, not connected. Here will be connected. And all that go away. Not connected, connecting, connected. Disconnecting, not connected. Okay. All right, that looks good. So if that's the case, I can get rid of this little part. Okay. I can copy the whole thing. And I'm gonna make it the YouTube one. So YouTube. And we have div. It's connected to YouTube. YouTube status label. Blah, blah, blah. And this is where our YouTube button will go in. Yeah. So we should be able to get rid of this guy. Input, we're gonna place inside a Q section. Okay, good. So now let's just fix those. This one and that one updated. YouTube status label. YouTube connect button label. Save. All right, connect, connecting, connected. All that stuff. Can't edit that now. So yeah, that looks good. And now the question is, do I need separator? I do not need that separator. And this one doesn't need a separate section at all. Okay, the only part I don't like is this gigantic space here, and these don't have a space. So with the page, I would like to be class is Quasar had its own little flex things, so we could make this whole thing to be a column and specify a gap. Let's just refresh my memory. Grid column. Okay. Do you have some examples here? Breakpoints, whatever. Hide. Class column. Style. If we have them set here. Come on, responsive classes. Grid gutter. Q gutter size. And Q call gutter. Call. Q. Gutter. What the hell was that supposed to be? I recall it was pleasant at some point. Okay, we do this small and large instead. Okay. Do we need to have this column here specified? No. Medium? Okay, that's good. Small is good enough. Alright, that was simple enough. Maybe QPage by default tries to makes itself to be some kind of gutter or something. Who knows? But I've got those two. Got the connect, disconnect buttons. And everything works as intended, so that makes me very happy. Yeah. And this would normally look like this, right? Okay, good. Cool. Okay. What if I remove that extra little text? Does it like bring the whole thing a lot more up? Not really. I like that little status. It's nice and quick. Okay, let's not worry about this extra space here for now. This is good enough. We've got this thing. And the other thing will be to basically hook it up to the server in the back. And that's it. And for now, we just have this as a dashboard. Later, we can add like, a way to switch here between dashboard and a chat or whatever. We'll get there. All right. So let's end the stream here because I'm getting really tired and sleepy. And call it a day. You can. I'll have next stream on Friday, which will be most likely. The topic will be NIM, and I'm still deciding if this will be the deep dive into whatever I have it scheduled as valref, varref, and pointers. I might change it up and actually do like a reading of the NIM manual or whatever. that could be interesting subject, I'd say. And this way I could slice it up into some, actual videos, whatnot, to have some content out there. So yeah, thank you for watching today. It was rather short and problematic, especially at the start, but if you watched it and enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, liking the video. You can follow me on Twitch. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day or night.